Hello folks, it's Jay from Millennium, and today I'm bringing you something a little bit special. It's a Harley Davidson Road Glide SP 1868. It's a 23 plate bike with a little under 1700 miles on the clock. It's data tagged. It's got one service stamp in the book. It comes complete with the Reinhardt slip-on exhausts, and clearly when you have the Reinhardts fitted you have the Dyna power tune. We got the receipts with that for £1,500. It comes complete with boombox GTS infotainment system, which incorporates sat-nav, Apple iPlayer, Android player, a DAB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. It has the one-touch pannier openings, so it's just a little lever here that you lift, and there you go, you're into your panniers. Simple as that. It's got custom two-tone paintwork, as you can see, little Harley emblems in the paintwork. Just a real nice touch, I think. So paintwork is absolutely immaculate, as you can expect on a vehicle with such low mileage. Lots of chrome to keep you entertained, if that's your thing. So how much? Well, we haven't advertised it yet, but I have spoke to the boss. This bike cost in excess of £34,000 a little over a year ago. It's going to be 23 grand. So you know what to do. Give us a bell, 01744 616161. It will be live on the website very soon, mmcbikes.co.uk. So there you go, Harley Davidson Road Glide SP 1868.